Hello, everyone. Hi.
Hello. Hello, friends.
Welcome to our English lesson today.
Yes, we are very happy to see you.
Very happy. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Jason.
We are your English teachers today.
Yes, we help you learn English.
Easy English.
Simple English.
English for beginners.
That's right, Sophia. Today is a great day.
Yes, a great day to learn English.
How are you today, Sophia?
I am very good. I am happy. How are you, Jason?
I am wonderful. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
Friends, before we start,
Yes, before we start our lesson today,
please click the subscribe button.
yes, subscribe. It helps us very much.
And also click the like button.
The like button, the thumbs up.
If you like our video, click like.
It helps us make more videos for you.
More English lessons.
More easy lessons.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, friends.
Okay, so Sophia, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is very important.
Very important? What is it?
Today, we talk about daily routine.
Daily routine, yes.
Daily routine means the things you do every day.
Every day, the same things.
Yes, like wake up, eat breakfast, go to work.
Brush your teeth, take a shower.
Yes, all the things we do every day.
This is called daily routine.
Daily routine.
Can you say it with us? Daily routine.
Say it. Daily routine.
Good, very good.
Today, we learn how to talk about your day.
How to describe your daily routine.
In English.
Simple English.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay, Jason, let me ask you a question.
Okay, I'm ready.
What time do you wake up?
Good question. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock in the morning?
Yes, 7 a.m. in the morning.
I wake up at 6:30.
Oh, 6:30? That's early.
Yes, early. Very early.
So Sophia wakes up at 6:30.
And Jason wakes up at 7 o'clock.
That's right.
Wake up means you open your eyes in the morning.
You stop sleeping.
You wake up.
What do you do after you wake up, Sophia?
After I wake up, I get up.
You get up.
Yes, I get out of bed.
Get up means you stand up from your bed.
You leave your bed.
I also get up after I wake up.
Me too. Everyone gets up.
Then what do you do?
I go to the bathroom.
The bathroom. Yes.
I wash my face.
Wash your face with water and soap.
Yes, my face is clean.
I also wash my face.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush my teeth.
Brush your teeth. Very important.
We brush our teeth with a toothbrush.
Toothbrush and toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Yes.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
2 minutes. That's good.
Dentists say brush for 2 minutes.
Good advice.
After I brush my teeth, I take a shower.
A shower? Me too.
You take a shower in the morning?
Yes, every morning.
Me too.
Taking a shower means you wash your body.
With water, hot water or cold water.
I like hot water.
Me too. Hot water is nice.
After the shower, I dry myself with a towel.
A towel, yes, very important.
Sophia, what do you do after your shower?
After my shower, I get dressed.
Get dressed. You put on your clothes.
Yes, I put on my clothes.
Shirt, pants, socks.
Everything.
What do you do after you get dressed?
I eat breakfast.
Breakfast, the first meal of the day.
Yes, a very important meal.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast with butter.
Toast. Yummy.
And I drink coffee.
Coffee. I love coffee.
Me too. Coffee is delicious.
I eat cereal for breakfast.
Cereal with milk?
Yes, cereal with milk.
That's a good breakfast.
And I drink orange juice.
Orange juice. Healthy.
Very healthy. Vitamin C.
So I eat breakfast at 7:30.
And I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I brush my teeth again.
Again? Why?
Because I eat breakfast. My teeth need cleaning.
Oh, that's smart.
Thank you.
After breakfast, I go to work.
You go to work. Where do you work?
I work in an office.
An office. Very nice.
Yes, I work at a computer.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
The bus. Public transportation.
Yes, I take the bus every day.
What time do you leave your house?
I leave at 8 o'clock.
8 a.m.?
Yes, 8 in the morning.
And what time do you arrive at work?
I arrive at 8:30.
So the bus ride is 30 minutes?
Yes, 30 minutes?
I go to work by car.
By car. You drive.
Yes, I drive my car.
How long is your drive?
My drive is 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Not bad.
No, not too long.
I start work at 9 o'clock.
9 a.m., me too.
We both start at 9.
Yes, we work from 9 to 5.
9 to 5. That's 8 hours.
Yes, 8 hours of work.
Jason, what time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 12:30.
12:30. Noontime.
Yes, midday.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
A little later than me.
Yes, 1 hour later.
What do you eat for lunch?
Sometimes I eat a sandwich.
A sandwich? What kind?
Turkey sandwich with lettuce and tomato.
Yummy! Sounds delicious.
It is. What about you?
I usually eat a salad.
A salad. Very healthy.
Yes, I try to eat healthy.
That's good.
Sometimes I eat pasta.
Pasta. I love pasta.
Me too. Pasta is great.
Where do you eat lunch?
I eat at my desk.
At your desk? At work?
Yes, I eat while I work.
I go to a cafe.
A cafe. That's nice.
Yes, I like to take a break.
A break is important.
Yes, rest is important.
Sophia, what time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
5 p.m. Me too.
What do you do after work?
I go home.
Me too. I go home.
I arrive home at 5:30.
And I arrive home at 6 o'clock.
What do you do when you get home?
First, I change my clothes.
Change clothes. Put on comfortable clothes.
Yes, I put on sweatpants and a t-shirt.
Comfortable.
Very comfortable. What about you?
I also change clothes.
Then what?
Then I cook dinner.
You cook. What do you cook?
Different things. Sometimes chicken, sometimes fish,
Yummy.
sometimes vegetables.
Healthy.
What about you? Do you cook?
Sometimes, but sometimes I order food.
Order food, like pizza?
Yes, pizza, Chinese food, Thai food.
Delicious.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
I eat dinner at 7:30.
After dinner, what do you do?
I wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes, clean the plates and forks.
Yes, I clean everything.
Me too. I wash the dishes every night.
After the dishes, I relax.
Relax, rest.
Yes, I watch TV.
What do you watch?
I watch movies or TV shows.
I also watch TV.
What shows do you like?
I like comedies.
Comedies, funny shows.
Yes, I like to laugh.
Me too. Laughing is good.
Sometimes I read a book.
Read a book. That's nice.
Yes, reading is relaxing.
What kind of books do you read?
I read mystery books.
Mystery. Exciting.
Yes, very exciting.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30.
10:30 p.m.? That's late.
A little late. What about you?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Earlier than me.
Yes, I like to sleep early.
Before bed, what do you do?
I brush my teeth again.
Me too. Brush teeth before bed.
Very important.
And I wash my face.
Me too. Clean face.
Then I put on my pajamas.
Pajamas. Clothes for sleeping.
Yes, comfortable pajamas.
Then I go to sleep.
Sleep. Rest for tomorrow.
Yes, sleep is very important.
Okay, friends, let's review.
Yes, let's remember what we learned today.
Today, we talked about daily routine.
Daily routine. The things we do every day.
In the morning, we wake up.
We wake up. We open our eyes.
We get up from bed.
We go to the bathroom.
We wash our face.
We brush our teeth.
We take a shower.
We get dressed.
We eat breakfast.
Then we go to work or school.
At lunchtime, we eat lunch.
In the evening, we go home.
We eat dinner.
We relax.
We watch TV or read.
And at night, we go to bed.
We sleep.
That's our daily routine.
Very good. Did you understand everything?
I hope so.
Now, friends, we have homework for you.
Homework, a task for you.
We want you to practice.
Yes, practice your English.
In the comments below,
The comments, write in the comments.
tell us about your daily routine.
Yes, what time do you wake up?
What do you eat for breakfast?
What time do you go to bed?
Write in the comments.
We want to read your answers.
We read all the comments.
Yes, we read everything.
So please, write something.
Tell us about your day.
In English.
Simple English is okay.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are okay. We all make mistakes.
The important thing is to practice.
Yes, practice, practice, practice.
Okay, friends, that's all for today.
Yes, our lesson is finished.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for learning with us.
Don't forget to subscribe
Subscribe. Click the button.
and click the like button
If you liked this video,
and write a comment.
tell us about your daily routine.
We will see you in the next video.
Next time, we will learn more English.
More easy English.
Have a wonderful day.
And keep practicing your English every day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.